what's up? Have a nice day, Sunday. O pala itong ninarinit ko na Thai chicken na this is a grilled oven roasted chicken on the side na mamaya niya ang pinaka biryani rice. So this one, I try to search muna and then roast. Nasa oven to pagkatapos. So this one is good for soon. So Thai chicken naman to malalaki. So thanks for watching Sunday.